In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML signature in Gmail. This is a useful setup if you want your emails to include a consistent, polished sign-off, with formatting like different fonts, links, or spacing, just like an HTML email footer. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and go to your inbox. Make sure you are in the main Gmail window, where you can see your email list and the top toolbar. Next, look to the top right area of Gmail and click the settings icon. This opens a quick settings panel. From that panel, click See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where Gmail keeps options for your general preferences, including signatures. You should now be on the General Settings tab. Scroll until you find the Signature section. In this area, click Create New. Gmail will prompt you to name the signature. Type a name that helps you recognize it later, such as a work or personal label, then confirm to create it. Naming is important because it keeps things organized if you decide to manage more than one signature. After you create it, you will see a signature editor box. Click inside that editor area, then type or paste your HTML signature content into the box. When you paste, it is a good idea to glance over the formatting after it appears. You want to confirm that line breaks, spacing, and any links look correct, since Gmail may adjust formatting depending on what you paste in. If you need another signature as well, click Create New again and repeat the process. This is helpful when you want different signatures for different situations, like one for general replies and another for business messages. Once you are finished editing your signature or signatures, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This final step is important, because Gmail will not apply your new signature until the changes are saved. After saving, your HTML signature is now stored in Gmail and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.